crowd here today. How exciting. Look at these familiar faces. Hi, Emily. Anna. Welcome to the Built Experience. And I know you wanted to hype about electric. Maybe you're a little intrigued. But there's so many options out there that it can be a little confusing. But you've come to the right place. Hey, give me the hype.
Do me a favor, will you? You pop the frunk.
Hi.
Where's that? Yeah, no.
No.
Is that the front?
Oh, here.
Yeah, you got it? Yeah, shoot. Yeah, here we go. This is another nice thing.
So we know a thing or two about electric. And today, we're here to show you how those different electrical vehicle options work and to help you decide which one's going to be right for you. Now first, here's a little pop quiz. Take your phones out and scan the QR code. It's game time, so let's have some fun. Huh? Game time? Oh, my favorite. Yes. All right. Number one, true or false? A front-wheel drive Ford Maverick hybrid has able to haul 1,300 pounds of logs. True or false? Come on, let's lock in those answers.
Look at the size.
Okay, let's get set for the next one. Number two. Okay, with a full charge and a full tank, the Ford Escape plug-in hybrid has enough range to go from here to the Pocono Mountains, Burlington, Vermont, or Roanoke, Virginia. Ooh, that's a tricky one. Number three. How long does it take to charge the standard battery Mustang from 10% to 80% at the DC fast charging station? 45 minutes, 2 hours, 6.5 hours, or 10 hours? All right, time's up. Now, let's take a look how Ford is investing in the future movement with electric. Now, Ford offers 3 types to suit your lifestyle: hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and all electric. So let's explore how they work and see which one's going to be right for you. Vehicles have a gas engine and electric motor powered by a battery, and they run in a combination of the two and can switch to gas for longer distances or harder driving. Now, hybrids can be a first step into that world of electric, and they're great for apartment dwellers and others who can't plug in at home or even at work. So question number one, show of hands, was it true or false? Well, it's true. Check it out. With a maximum payload of 1,500 pounds, a Ford Maverick hybrid can easily haul 1,300 pounds of logs or lumber.
Whoa.
Now, I know our friend over there
You can put your
Maverick is pretty surprised, but it's true. The Ford Maverick hybrid is a full hybrid with EPA